We have received a message from His Majesty the King, and I would read that out to the gathering. The King has asked me to thank you for your letter in connection with the International Annual Convention, Jalsa Salana, which is being held between the 24th and 26th July 2026 at Hadikatul Mahdi, Oakland Farm, Alton. His Majesty greatly appreciates that you should have taken the trouble to write to him as you did. I can tell you that the King was touched to learn this year's convention will mark 60th year of your event to bring together attendees from all throughout the Cure community. His Majesty would be most grateful if you could convey his warmest good wishes to the Ahmadiyya Muslim community UK and to everyone who is attending. Yours sincerely, Head of the Royal Correspondence. Jazakallah.